We all live a busy life, and sometimes we go through sad or darker moments. It's totally normal. It's part of life. So if you're feeling a little down lately, here are 9 easy tips to boost your happiness. First, stay active. Never let your day be dull. Find a hobby to keep your mind occupied. Second, don't rush things. Life's not a race. Enjoy the journey, one step at a time. Third, don't overeat. Eat just enough to fuel yourself, and eat clean. Fourth, surround yourself with positive friends. Good vibes are contagious. Choose your squad wisely. Fifth, exercise daily. At least 30 minutes a day. It's like a mini celebration for your body. Sixth, smile more. It's the cheapest way to brighten your day, and someone else's too. Seventh, connect with nature. Fresh air and greenery can work wonders. Hug a tree if you're feeling adventurous. Eighth, express gratitude. Say thanks for the little things. It's a happiness multiplier. And finally, live in the moment. The past is a memory, and the future is a mystery. All we have is now. There you have it. 9 simple rules to unlock happiness. Give them a try and watch your life change instantly.